Welcome to this edition of the Telescope Maker's Workshop. My name is Francis O'Reilly, and I'll be your host on this edition. Today is June 29th, 2009, and I'm in Socorro, New Mexico. I'm working on my 12.5-inch Schiefspiegler telescope. The rough grinding for this mirror has been going very slowly. Originally I started with no weight whatsoever. I put on a 10-pound weight, it helped a little. I went to Walmart this morning and I purchased a 25-pound weight and some non-skid shelf lining, which I will put between the glass and the weight. I also did some arithmetic last night and found out that while I thought that I had to be at 0.0103 inches on my spherometer, that was about twice the radius I needed. At a 300-inch radius, the formula is r squared over 2r. I have 1 3/4 radius on my spherometer. Divide that by 2r, or 600 inches, and I came up with 0.005104, I believe it was. Well, let's just double check it. Cell phones are wonderful things to have. Not only can you speak with people by telephone, but you can go to your tools menu and get a calculator. 1.75 times 1.75 equals 3.0625 divided by 300 times 2, or 600, equals 0.005104, and that's what the reading I'm going to be looking for on my analog, on my digital readout rather, on my spherometer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mirror, and once I put some grit on the tool, a little bit, less is more, spread it around a bit, not too much, don't get too wild. I'm going to wet it down. Let it sit for a second. I took some readings last night. Turn on my spherometer, zero it, go back to my mirror, take my readings, 0.002. I want to be at 0.005104. So I'm about 40% of the way there, at least in the center, towards the edge, 0.002, towards the other edge, 0.0015. 0.0015, so the curve is really not very smooth yet. I'll turn off my spherometer, set it back on my float glass. I have quite a ways to go on this. Take my mirror, carefully turn it over. Spherometer should read, I'm going to make a modification on notes, 0.005104. Put the date 6/29/09. Then I'm going to take my non-skid surface, place it on the back of my mirror, very carefully take my 25-pound weight, put it on the back of the mirror, and let's go to town. should wear down the number 80 fairly quickly if you're doing it right. One revolution around the bench. All right, around the Parker barrel. About the most I've been getting is 2 revolutions around the barrel. However, this seems to be going pretty well right now. I'm pretty happy with the way this is feeling. Well, now I've gone more than twice around, 2.5 times around. Is that right? No. You know, you lose track pretty quickly. Okay, let's take off the 25-pound weight. The non-skid surface came up with it, that's fine. Take the mirror, 2 hands, carefully, turn it over. Let's put a little more grit on. New Mexico is known for being warm at the end of June, beginning of July. Today's no exception. Fortunately, I have a fan that I purchased at Walmart. The fluff or piece of rat's nest fell down. Replace the tool, of the mirror rather. Replace the weight. And let's go again.